I was sent this mini action camera for my review, and I was actually really surprised with how easy it was to use right out of the box. The first thing I noticed is the built-in 1.5-inch screen. You can preview your footage in real time, play videos back instantly, and even delete clips directly on the camera without needing your phone every single time. That alone makes it way more convenient for quick recording on the go. Connecting it to the app was super simple. You just turn on the camera Wi-Fi, connect through the app, and within seconds you get a live real-time preview directly on your phone. From the app, you can start and stop recording, switch settings, adjust parameters, review footage, play back videos, and delete files from your phone. It's honestly really intuitive and beginner friendly. I also like that you can control the camera remotely, which makes it useful for point of view filming, biking, fishing, hiking, or mounting it somewhere hard to reach. The footage records in 4K at 30 frames per second, and the built in 6-axis EIS stabilization helps smooth out shaky movements so videos look much cleaner while walking or moving around. Another cool feature is the automatic rotation between horizontal and vertical filming. So if you're making YouTube videos, you can use 16:9, but if you're creating short form content, it switches to 9:16 without extra editing. Because this camera only weighs 32 grams, it's super lightweight and easy to wear or mount. The magnetic design makes setup fast, whether you're attaching it to clothing, a bike, helmet, or even using the included accessories. It comes with a full accessory kit, so you can use it in a bunch of different recording situations right away. Overall, this is a really practical little action camera if you want something compact, easy to operate, and convenient for everyday recording or outdoor adventures.